Hello Windows Experts. Windows Experts. I changed my channel name. My channel name to Apple Experts. Hello Apple Experts. Welcome on my new channel name, Apple Experts. The reason why I changed my channel name is because I want to step into something new, step into new products and reviewing new stuff of Apple and Macintosh. That means at the time there's no Windows videos anymore on my channel. That means all sounds of Windows. Yeah, it's sad news, but because Macintosh is a contradict of Windows, so I can't place both of them. The name is not yet shown on the YouTube page, only on Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms. It's all viewed as Apple Expert, but on YouTube it is not, because the duration is pending a few days before it's changed. So you will see in the upcoming days that the name is changed. A little bit the motive of changing my channel name is because I bought the iPhone 13. Okay, the iPhone 13. I was really enthusiastic about the product because iPhone has a really good stuff and really good designs of the phones. Well, I have the iPhone 13, but you have also other models like the iPhone 13 mini. That's a smaller variant of the iPhone 13, and you have the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max, but these phones are a little bit bigger. The Pro is not bigger, but has an extra camera and better battery, and the Pro Max is just really big, 6.7 inch big. This is 6.1 inch and has a RAM of 4 GB and is released last year in September, but this color, apple green, is released in March. So I'm really curious about the color and just the phone as an Android user, because I used the last 6 years a trusted Android user of Samsung. So it is time for something new. It is time for the iPhone 13. So I'm going to open this on the back side, and then it has to open. Oh, you have also an upper side. Wow, look how glossy it is. iPhone 13 apple green. I'm going to pick this out really carefully, and it has a really good material. It is made from glass. Then we have what you need if you put a SIM card in it, because that's on a really not easy way. And here you have the charger, but that's the only thing, because there's no charger adapter delivered with a case. So we are done with unboxing, and now we're going to hands-on of this iPhone 13. Okay, I'm gonna turn on this little sweet Apple device, and I see the Apple logo. That's the most beautiful logo that it is, because it's now my logo. Okay, I think it's really hard to go in this device, because as an Android user I don't have that button to go back. I think that is a hard thing, but the screen is really nice, and I love the way the screen is just over the whole radio of the phone. So a really nice screen with really nice colors. That is because of the screen quality of the Apple device. And now I'm going to install my chat of my language. Oh my god, I have to check my face. This is because of the Face ID function. You have to unlock your phone with Face ID and not with finger anymore. Oh, you have also a function to wear a face mask with the Face ID. And now I have to pick a code. And now I have to also register my at the Apple ID. That's something that I never imagined to do that until now, because I have an iPhone now and I'm an Apple expert. So I have to register mine in the Apple ID function. Some might say that it's cheating to go step over to an Apple product, but I think it's a really bold choice, a really nice choice of me, because I'm really satisfied about just the product and how fast it is, and the colors you see on the screen, the camera quality. So yeah, welcome to the world, Apple experts. Oh, and about the sheep that I published on my channel named Longhorn, the sheep is still going on, so good luck everyone.